In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fiat wallet on crypto. Come or set up fiat wallet on crypto. Come on crypto.com, fiat wallet is what allows you to deposit, hold, and withdraw traditional money like USD, Euro, or GBP directly within the app. Creating one is quite simple, but it does require that you've completed identity verification first, since fiat services are tied to regulatory compliance. To set it up, start by opening the crypto.com app and logging in. Go to the Accounts tab and tap on Fiat Wallet. If this is your first time using it, the app will prompt you to set one up. You'll be asked to select the fiat currency you want to use, such as USD if you're in the United States or Euro if you're in Europe. Once you've chosen, the app will guide you through providing your bank details. This usually involves entering your account number, IBAN, or routing number depending on your region. After entering your details, you'll need to verify them. Crypto.com often requires you to make a small test deposit or provide documents showing your bank account belongs to you. In some cases, it will automatically link after the information is entered, but if not, you'll be guided through a quick confirmation process. Once verified, your fiat wallet will appear in the app under the Accounts section, showing your chosen currency balance. From here, you can deposit fiat money from your bank to fund your wallet, which you can then use to buy crypto instantly. You can also sell your crypto for fiat, and the money will appear in this wallet before you withdraw it back to your bank. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.